In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Google 2FA authentication on Bybit, just for security purpose for your account. So all you just have to do, just log into your Bybit account. Then on the top left, click on the icon right there. Then you're gonna see this page just like this. So the next thing you're gonna do, just click on security on the left side. Then it's gonna see this page just like this. Then the next thing you're gonna see, if you look down below, you can see Google 2FA authentication. So you just have to turn it on so that the level of your account will be more secure than the before. So you can actually just do that. So once you toggle it on, it's gonna turn on, and then they will send a code to your email. So once you input the code, the 2FA will be turned on just like that. I can click on confirm to turn it on, and it will start working immediately. So you can see I just input my code. So I see please install Google Authenticator app on your phone. So you can see right here, but then I'm not just gonna do that, so I can actually do that later.